Mercedes-Benz Malaysia has launched 6 cars today, including the facelift G-Wagon, the facelift GLE, but first, let's check these out, the GLC Coupes. Coupe comes with a 2-litre engine paired to an electric motor, producing 313 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque, 0 to 100 in 6.7 seconds. Like the SUV, the 350e Coupe also comes with a 31 kWh battery capable of offering up to 130 kilometers of pure electric range. The battery can be charged using an 11 kW AC charger, taking just 2 hours to fully charge. Just like the 350e SUV, the Coupe also comes with rear air suspension to accommodate the extra weight, and it also comes with a slightly smaller boot, 399 litres compared to 500 litres in the GLC300 Coupe. With the new 350e SUV and this Coupe, Mercedes-Benz Malaysia says that the GLC300 Coupe and SUV will be phased out. Both of these, by the way, are locally assembled in Pekan Pahang. Aside from the 350e, Mercedes-Benz Malaysia has also launched the GLC43 Coupe. It comes with a 2-litre engine, making 421 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 done in 4.8 seconds, top speed 250 km an hour. Compared to the 350e, it comes with a more aggressive front grille, more aggressive front bumper, more aggressive rear diffuser, a spoiler lid and quad tailpipes. Alright, if you're wondering, the GLC43 Coupe is 73,000 ringgit more than the 350e. This one costs 498,000 ringgit, while the other one, the 350e, costs 425,000 ringgit. For more information on the new GLC Coupes in Malaysia, log on to AutoBuzz.my.